Timothy Busfield has been indicted by a New Mexico grand jury on child sex abuse charges, prosecutors said Friday. The 68-year-old Emmy-winning actor and director was indicted on 4 counts of criminal sexual contact of a child under 13, the Bernalillo County District Attorney's Office said in a statement. The charges are third-degree felonies, which carry a sentence of 6 years imprisonment followed by a parole term of at least 5 years. This case will proceed through the judicial process and is expected to move forward to trial, the statement said, adding that no further information would be released at this time. Busfield turned himself into authorities in New Mexico last month after an arrest warrant was issued by the Albuquerque Police Department alleging he abused 11-year-old twin boys on a film set. He was booked into jail on 2 counts of criminal sexual contact with a minor and 1 count of child abuse. He has denied the charges. A New Mexico judge ordered him released while he awaits trial. Larry Stein, an attorney for Busfield, said that the indictment was not unexpected. As the saying goes, a grand jury will indict a ham sandwich, Stein said in a statement to Yahoo. What is deeply concerning is that the district attorney is choosing to proceed on a case that is fundamentally unsound and cannot be proven at trial. This prosecution appears driven by something other than the facts or the law, he added. Mr. Busfield will fight these charges at every stage and looks forward to testing the state's case in open court, where evidence matters, not behind closed doors. Busfield is best known for his TV roles on The West Wing and 30-something and in the movie Field of Dreams. He has been married to Melissa Gilbert, who starred in Little House on the Prairie, since 2013. According to the indictment filed in Bernalillo County's 2nd Judicial District Court on Friday, Busfield allegedly touched or applied force to the penis or buttocks of one of the boys on 4 separate occasions between October 19, 2022, and May 30, 2024. The minors are not identified in court documents. According to the criminal complaint filed in support of the warrant, an investigation into Busfield began in November 2024 when a doctor at the University of New Mexico Hospital alerted police about suspected sexual abuse of the twin boys. On the set, Busfield would tell the boys to call him Uncle Tim, according to the complaint. When the mother of the boys asked if anyone had ever touched them in a manner that made them feel uncomfortable, the children responded by asking, "You mean like Uncle Tim?" At the time of the initial investigation, the boys said that Busfield would tickle them but did not disclose any sexual contact, and police determined that the case did not meet their acceptance criteria. In October 2025, the mother reported to Child Protective Services that both of her children disclosed that they had been sexually abused by Busfield. One of the children told a forensic child interviewer that the alleged abuse first occurred when he was 7 years old. The child said that Busfield touched him 5 or 6 times over his clothing in his poop and pee area. The child described a similar incident when he was 8 years old, in which Busfield touched him in the same areas over his clothing 3 or 4 times. He said he was afraid to tell anyone because Tim was the director, and he feared Tim would get mad at him, the complaint states. According to the complaint, the boy previously told a therapist he was having nightmares about the director touching him and waking up scared. The boy also disclosed that the director had touched and rubbed his penis 3 or 4 times and appeared to be ashamed. The other boy told the forensic child interviewer that Busfield started touching them for the first 2 years they were on set. He said the touching occurred as they were filming in the house, and that he did not like being touched but did not say anything because he did not want to get in trouble. He did not say he had been touched in the genital area.